Hey everyone, in 2 weeks, Ed and I will be attending the Arlington, Texas NARBC, or North American Reptile Breeders Conference. This event is organized by the same group who does Tinley, so it's going to be an amazing event. We've never been to this show before. There's a cricket chirping in the background. He's very excited too. We are going to have tables full of merch available, and we're going to be doing a meet and greet just like before. And as you can probably guess, we're having a pirate theme to the dress code at this show. So the first 100 people to find us on Saturday, when the show opens at 10 a.m. to the public, the first 100 people in line dressed in pirate attire will get a limited edition pirate-themed reptile pin. We are purposely not showing you the pin this time because we want you to come and see what it is, but it's a pin you're gonna want. It is a reptile dressed as a pirate, and we're really excited with how it turned out, but we're gonna leave it a surprise.
That cricket's really excited about the pins as well.
That cricket also is very excited, yes. Of course, he hasn't chirped at all until we started filming. Since we're going to be at this event with merch, we're also going to be bringing some adoptable animals and doing an adoption event. Just like the Schaumburg and St. Louis shows, we are going to be bringing a bunch of adoptable leopard geckos that have been surrendered to our Adoption Island Rescue Program. We have, I think, about 20 leopard geckos to bring, including Catherine here. She is a big, chunky female, regrown tail. She's ready for her new home, and we will have a bunch of others as well. And this time, we are also going to be bringing a variety of adoptable bearded dragons to find new homes.
We are flush with
We
bearded
have,
dragons.
I think, 30 bearded dragons in our adoption program right now, so they need homes.
So Beardy's like, who is this?
This one is Tom Nook. This is a, are you a female? Yeah, this is a female. She is about, if I remember correctly from her card, she's about 4 years old, a really handleable girl, and she's been with us for a surprisingly long time. Nobody wants her, I think, because she's just a boring-looking bearded dragon.
I want you, Tom Nook.
Yeah, she's such a good dragon.
Yeah.
She'll be such a good,
Give
like,
her a little
family
chin
pet.
scratch.
Yeah,
Aw.
she's done with quarantine, she's been vet checked, she's healthy, ready to go, and we will be bringing probably a dozen or so other bearded dragons with us that just need homes. So what we ask, if you are interested in a bearded dragon or a leopard gecko to adopt at the event, is that you bring a picture of the enclosure you plan on putting them in, just to make sure, or just so we can make sure that you have everything you need for a proper setup. For example, our requirement for an adult bearded dragon like Tom Nook here is a 4x2x2 foot enclosure, so just bring a picture of it so we can verify that they'll have a good forever home with you. But we don't just have bearded dragons and leopard geckos available for adoption in Adoption Island, we have so many other species of reptiles too, so if you're interested in adopting another species of reptile that's currently available, by the way, to see what's currently available, just go to the Snake Discovery Facebook page, go to our photo album called Animals Available for Adoption, scroll through, you'll see everything that currently needs a home. If you want to adopt one of those animals, just email us at info@snakediscovery.com, include a picture of the habitat, and if you're approved for adoption, we can bring that animal to the Arlington show for you to pick up. So yeah, lots of options for adopting animals, getting pins, getting merch, and just having fun at a reptile convention. We're excited to meet all of you guys, and we will see you in 2 weeks at the Arlington, Texas NARBC.